Road, about 1 to 2 miles from Lock Haven. Standard graded gravel state forest road. This one runs about 14 miles. It's been mapped by Onyx Offroad, and we are just doing a trail report today. Conditions are 52 degrees. I call it mostly cloudy. Very light wind. Trying out the new camera. Well, not a new camera, but the position of the camera being behind the seat. Kind of a full windshield dash shot. That's was one of the big things I wanted to check today, just to see how well that flowed. Probably make a little edit on this just to kind of incorporate the new camera. That's a rock just flew into the window. Jeez. But yeah, so trail report today, some camera footage just to kind of play with. Another camera was ordered, so I'm getting a third GoPro coming in for another position that would be maybe outside the Jeep on the side with a suction cup. Not sure how I want to run it, but I know I'm going to need it, so I made a purchase. Also have microphones coming with that so that I can get better sound quality. So I'm trying to make some tweaks to the channel, make it content a little better, and organize it a little bit better too. So we just passed East Fernie Road. Another trail that's been mapped, but I'm going to grab a report on that one. So you can see that with Onyx Off-Road, it's best to kind of plan your day accordingly. So be kind of organized the night before and kind of map out the trails you want to hit, all in proximity of each other. Makes it a lot smoother. Easy going here, State Forest Road, so not pounding on the gears, not getting crazy with, you know, like not paying attention to the braking period. I actually did follow the braking period. You know, I kept the speed limit down. I let the gears rest. I mean, half an hour in between hour intervals. I'm probably doing about an hour and a half interval now, and then rest, and it's been really great. I haven't heard any sounds, funny squealing sounds, no clunking. So we'll get that all checked on Wednesday, and that'll be good. And then it'll get cleared, and I'll get my steering box in, and that'll be really wonderful because definitely it's got a lot of play in the steering wheel. I'm going to do a little video of the play in the steering wheel before the box and then after, and then kind of do a product video in regards to the PSC steering box going in and how much better it'll be. And then we'll, like I said, getting footage. It's running back there good, you know, and I'm probably going to get a remote to turn that on, but I can actually do it from the phone right here through the app. I can power it up, turn the video on, go to pictures. I'm running 4K 60 because that's much better in that position. Running back that camera is better at 60 versus 30, and it's running wide, so we're getting a whole shot, which is good. And then actually the third camera is going to go here, which I already used for in-cab shots, but I've been using this one, the camera that's behind me, for here, so I needed a third one now for this. So running all GoPro 10 black 10 Heroes, and I like them. I know there's a lot of technology out there and new ones, and it's great, and I know they're good, but I'm feeling pretty comfortable with the GoPro. You know, the upload, download, all the stuff coming in and out, the mechanism itself, I'm feeling really good with that too. So I hate to venture off and make changes when I'm comfortable. up on the GoPros. Probably not much, but we got off the gravel. Oh, that's real fun, huh? How's that? Right to a dead end. As soon as the fun starts, we get a gate. Oh well.